Good day, learners. Welcome to Math Diaries. This is your host, Sir Melky. Today, ang pag-aaralan natin sa General Mathematics ay ang solving problems involving rational equation, rational inequalities, and rational function. So, alamin muna natin ang mga objectives ng ating pag-aaralan. We are going to write the equation, inequality, or function that models the situation. Number 2, we are going to solve problem involving rational equations, inequalities, and function. These are the steps in solving word problems. So this is the easier to work for the worded problem. So number 1, we are going to read through the entire problem and then highlight the important information and keywords that you need to solve the problem, identify your variables, write the equation or inequalities, solve, and then write the answer in a complete sentence, and check or justify your answer. Let's give an example. Number 1. Anne and Maria play tennis every weekend. So far, Anne won 12 out of 20 matches. How many matches will Anne have to win in a row to improve her winning percentage? So in this problem, so Anne and Maria who play tennis every weekend. So Anne won 12 out of 20 matches. So ibig sabihin, kung nanalo na siya ng 12 out of 20 matches, that is 60% of the entire match play nila. So now, gusto ni Anne na i-improve yung kanyang winning percentage. So from 60% na winning percentage, i-improve niya to into 75%. So the question is, gaano karami pa yung ipe-play nila na kailangang ipanalo ni Anne? Okay, so let us solve. So after reading the problem, we are going to analyze it. So highlight natin yung mga important information and keywords. So meron tayo ditong given na 12 out of 20. So that is equivalent to 12 over 20. That is the number of matches Anne has already won. And then yung 75%, so pwede natin siya i-convert into decimal, which is 0.75. That is the winning percentage to race that she must win. So ito yung gusto niya na maging percentage ng kanyang winning, which is kailangan niya pang manalo ulit. And then let us identify the variables to solve. So represent natin yung additional matches to the variable t, and then let us write the equation or the inequality. So mapapansin natin, since magkakaroon tayo dito number of additional matches, which is the variable t, that is, i-add lang natin to the number of matches na ipanalo ni Anne, at the same time, number of matches na naglaro na sila. So, mangyayari dyan, we have 12 over t, 12 plus t over 20 plus t. So, that is the winning percentage, which is she has won out of the total number of matches they played. So, this one is the winning percentage. Ito yung pinaka-equation natin. I-equate natin siya to the winning percentage na kailangang ipanalo ulit ni Anne, or gusto niyang itaas yung kanyang winning percentage, which is 0.75. So, pagka in-equate natin siya, makakabuo tayo ng rational equation, which is, ito yung gagamitin natin na i-solve. 12 plus t over 20 plus t is equal to 0.75. Okay, so from the rational equation na form natin, so solve natin yung magiging value ni t. So, in this equation, so meron tayong dalawang term rather, na nasa pagitan ng magkabilang side ng equal. So, yung 0.75, that is understood siya na over 1. So, pwede tayo dito mag-cross multiply. So, yung 1, i-multiply natin kay 12 plus t. And then, si 0.75, i-multiply naman natin kay 0.75. So, ang kalalabasan, so, yan po. So, we have 12 plus t. So, times 1 yan. Hindi natin pinakita yung 1. Is equal to 0.75 times 20 plus t. Then, after that, distribute natin yung 0.75 sa dalawang term inside the parenthesis. So, kalalabasan, copy lang natin yung nasa left side, which is 12 plus t is equals to 0.75 times 20, that is equals to 15. And 0.75 times t, so meron tayong 0.75 t. And then, i-transpose natin lahat ng may variable doon sa left. And then, lahat ng constant, lipat natin sa right. So, we have t minus 0.75, meron lang tayong 0.25t. And 15 minus 12, so natira lang natin dito is 3. So, para makakuha natin yung magiging value ni t, so, divide natin siya both side by 0.70, 0.25. Ayan. So, cancel natin 0.25. So, natira na lang dito is t is equals to 12. Now, so write natin yung answer natin in a complete sentence. So, ibig sabihin, si Anne needs to win 12 matches in a row in order to improve her winning percentage to 75. So, let us check kung tama yung ating sagot. So, yung ating nakuha na form na rational equation, substitute natin dito yung nakuha natin na value ni t, which is 12. So we have 12 plus 12 over 20 plus 12 is equal to 0.75. So, yun, so meron na tayong 12 over 32. So, 24 over 32. So, 24 and 32 are both divisible by 8. So, divide natin siya both numerator and denominator by 8. So, ang kalalabasan, we have 3/4 is equal to 0.75. And 3/4, kapag kinonvert natin siya into decimal, so that is 0.75 also. So, ibig sabihin, 75 is equal to 7 times, 0.75 is equal to 0.75, meaning, tama po yung naging final answer natin na 12. Ang kailangang ipanalo pa na matches ni Anne. So, para mag-improve yung kanyang winning percentage into 75%. Okay? Next, number 2. So, Mira has 500 in a saving account at the beginning of the summer. She wants to have at least 200 in the amount. She wants to have at least 200 in the account by the end of the summer. She withdraw 25 each week for food. How many weeks can Mira withdraw money from her account? Justify your answer. So, dito, so yung original na pera ni Mira nung nag-start yung summer is 500 pesos. Now, dahil nag-withdraw siya lagi, every week, para sa kanyang food, ng 25 pesos. So, ang gusto niya, bago matapos o yung summer, meron siyang matitira doon sa kanyang saving na at least 200 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng 200 lang, pwedeng mas malaki pa sa 200. So, now, the question is, kung nagwi-withdraw siya ng 25 pesos per week, so, gaanong karaming week daw yung uh, magwi-withdraw si Mira. Okay, so let us solve. So, after reading the problem, so highlight natin yung mga important information. So, makikita natin dyan, may word na at least. So, yan. Yung at least, nag-i-indicate yon na magkakaroon tayo ng inequality. Okay? So, pag sabi natin at least is greater than or equal. Now, so, hanapin pa natin. So, meron tayo ditong 500, yung given natin. That is the saving of Mira at the beginning of the summer. And then, we have 25 pesos, yung wini-withdraw niya every week. And then, so at least 2 over 5 of her money. So, that is Mira wants to save at the end of the summer. So, ito yung gusto niyang ma-save niya. So, saan siya nanggaling? So, dito lang po yan. Sa 200 over 500. So, nilawis term natin, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 2 over 5. Okay, proceed tayo. So, identify natin yung variables na isosolve natin. So, dahil hinahanap nito is how many weeks can Mira withdraw money. So, ganong katagal daw, ganong karaming linggo raw siya magwi-withdraw hanggang sa dumating na at least 200 na lang yung matitira sa kanya na pera. So, represent natin yung number of weeks to the variable W. And then, write natin yung equation into write natin yung equation na ating isa-solve. So, we have yung 500, minus natin siya ng 25 pesos times kung gaanong karaming week siya pwedeng mag-withdraw. That is greater than or equal to 500 times 2 over 5. So, multiply natin yung 500 to 2 over 5 kasi ang goal niya is at least 200 na lang siya. So, pagka minultiply natin yung 500 times 2 over 5, that is equal to 200. Okay? Proceed tayo. So, from this rational inequalities na na-form natin based on sa problem, so, solve natin siya. So, first, multiply muna natin yung 500 times 2 over 5. So, makukuha natin dyan is 500 minus 25W, that is greater than or equal to 200. So, lipat natin ngayon si 500 doon sa kabila ng equals. So, mangyayari, matitira na natin is negative 25W, that is greater than or equal to 200 minus 500. So, proceed tayo. So, we have negative 25 times W, that is greater than or equal to negative 300. So, para makuha natin yung value ni W, so, divide natin sila both side by negative 25. Ayan. So, makukuha natin dyan is W is equals to 12. And then, so, write natin yung ating answer, ito, complete answer. So, therefore, the number of weeks that Mira can withdraw money from her account is 12 weeks or less. So, ibig sabihin, dahil gusto niya is magkaroon siya ng at least 200. So, that is maximum na may na number ng weeks na mag-withdraw siya is 12 weeks. So, pagka 12 weeks siya nag-withdraw, ibig sabihin, sakto, meron siyang 200 at the end of the summer. Pero kung less than 12 weeks naman siya, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung masasave niya sa kanyang account at the end of the summer. So, prove natin. Tingnan natin kung sakto. By the way, so makikita natin dito, nabaliktad yung greater than or less than. So, once na divide both side tayo ng negative numbers sa inequality, so automatic yung ating symbol is mababaliktad po. So, kung to ay meron tayong less than or equal, so magiging greater than or equal. So, ito naman, itong problem talaga natin, meron tayo itong greater than or equal. So, ibig sabihin, nag-divide both side tayo by negative 25, so naging less than or equal na lang po siya. Pakita natin kung tama yung ating naging sagot. So, from this inequality na nakuha natin, rational inequality, so i-substitute natin yung nakuha natin na value ng W, that is 12. So, we have 500 minus 25 times 12, that is greater than or equal to 200. So, 25 times 12 is 300. So, we have 500 minus 300. So, that is 200. So, ibig sabihin, we have 200 is greater than or equal to 200. So, this is a correct pa din. Bakit po? Kasi, meron tayong symbol dito na equal. So, that is greater than or equal. May or siya. So, ibig sabihin, i-apply natin dito is yung equal. Kasi, ang 200 tsaka ang 200 is equal. So, that is correct. Okay? Okay, so proceed tayo. So, example number 3, a speedboat can travel 32 miles per hour in still water. It travels 150 miles upstream against the current, then return to the starting location. So, the total time of the trip is 10 hours. What is the speed of the current? Okay, so dito kasi yung kayang takbuhin ng speedboat is 32 miles per hour. So, sa still water yan, ha? Now, kung yung speedboat is tatakbo siya or magta-travel siya ng 150 miles upstream, ibig sabihin, against the current yun, ibig sabihin kung pasalungat siya doon sa agos. Then, babalik siya the starting location after nun. So, ano naman siya? So, sabay lang sa agos yung susunod. And then, kung yung magiging travel trip ng speedboat is 10 hours, so, ang tanong dito is, what is the speed of the current? So, highlight natin yung mga important information or keyword. So, meron tayo ditong 32 miles per hour. That is the speed of boat na kayang i-travel niya. And then, we have 150 miles. So, that is the trip each way. So, 150 upstream and then pabalik naman 150 miles pa din. Sunod po, so we have 10 hours, that is the total time of the trip. Sunod, identify natin yung variable na isasolve natin. So, i-represent natin si speed of the current in the variable C. So, now, write natin yung equation natin na ma-form. So, sabi dito, going upstream, the boat struggle. So, pagka nag-struggle tayo, ano nangyayari doon sa struggle against the current? So, nangyayari, yung speed ng boat natin is nagde-decrease. Ibig sabihin, bumabagal siya, di ba? Kasi, pasalungat yung kanyang takbo doon sa agos ng tubig. So, ang ginawa natin dito, nag-minus tayo ngayon sa 32 miles per hour. Sunod. So, pagka pabalik naman siya, ang mangyayari, so nagbe-benefit siya kasi yung 32 miles per hour, so dahil siya yung nagbe-benefit, tuloy-tuloy lang siya, mas mabilis ngayon. Nag-i-increase ngayon yung ating net speed. So, ang ginawa natin, that is 32 plus c. Okay, so now, so para ma-solve natin siya, pwede natin gamitin yung formula ng distance. So, that is distance is equal to velocity times time. So, pagka naman kukuhanin natin yung formula para sa time, that is distance over velocity. So using the problem, so we have that t is equal to distance over velocity. Pwede nating sabihin na kapag nag-struggle siya against the current, so ang kanyang distance 150, that is over to that speed na velocity na 32 minus c. Kapag naman nagbe-benefit siya from the current, so pabalik na siya, so that is 150 over 32 plus c. Okay, so by this formula, so pwede tayo makaform ngayon ng rational equation na gagamitin natin sa pagsosolve para makuha natin yung speed ng current. So that is, pagsasamahin lang po natin yung mga formula na nakuha natin. So ito po, pagsasamahin natin, so pa-plus natin, equal siya to the total time of the travel. So that is, ito yung time. That is the 10. So meron tayo dito na rational equation which is 150 over 32 minus c plus 150 over 32 plus c is equals to 10. So proceed tayo. So from the equation na na-form natin, so let us solve. So mapapansin natin meron tayong tatlong term dito. So, ang gagawin natin, kuhanin natin yung kanyang LCD. So, magiging LCD nito is yung dalawang denominator natin. So, since wala naman silang common factor, so siya na yung magiging LCD natin. So, proceed tayo. So, yung LCD na nakuha natin, i-multiply natin siya both side of the equation. So, ayan po. So, multiply natin yung 32 minus c times 32 plus c doon sa ating equation. So, both side po. So, now, dito muna tayo sa first term. So, sa first term, multiply natin siya sa ating LCD. So, 150 over 32 minus c times 32 minus c times 32 plus c. So, meron sila parehas 32 minus c. So, pwede natin i-cancel yon. Ang natira na lang is, cancel din to. So, natira na lang is 32 plus c. So, multiply natin sa 150. Ayan po yan. So, now, sa second term, we have 150 over 32 plus c. So, multiply natin siya doon sa ating LCD. So, meron silang common factor na 32 plus c. So, cancel natin ngayon si 32 plus c. To cancel din to. So, ito na lang po yung natira. 32 minus c. So, kaya meron tayo dito 150 times 32 minus c. So, equals to 10 times, so, pwede tayo mag-FOIL method dito sa dalawang binomials. So, ang kalalabasan yan kapag minultiply natin, so, first term to first term, 32 times 32, we have 1024. So, yung ating outer term tsaka inner term, so pagka yan ay minultiply natin, so ang kalalabasan yan is negative 32c plus positive 32c. So pagka yun ay pinagsama natin, so magiging 0 na lang. So wala na siya. So then the outer term naman tayo, so negative c times positive c, so we have negative c square. Okay, so mapapansin natin yung ating mga term ay lahat divisible by 10. So, pwede tayo dito ngayong mag-cancel na lang ng tagigisang 0. So, meaning, lahat yan ay dinivide natin into 10. So, kalalabasan, we have 15 times 32 plus c plus 15 times 32 minus c is equal to 1024 minus c square. So, proceed tayo. Multiply natin yung mga term outside the parenthesis doon sa dalawang term inside the parenthesis. So, 35 times 32. So, we have 480. Then 15 plus c. So, we have 15 plus c. So, plus 480. That is from 15 times 32. And then 15 minus c times negative c. So, meron tayong negative 15c. So, copy lang natin yung terms at the right of the equals. So, next, pagsamahin natin yung common term. So, 480 and 480. Pagka pinagsama natin, meron tayong 960. And then, yung 5c, tsaka yung negative 5c. So, 0 na siya. So, hindi natin siya ipapakita. Then, copy ulit natin yung term at the right of the equals. So, next, lipat natin ngayon si 960 sa right. So, pagka siya nilipat natin, magiging negative siya. So, minus natin. So, 1024 minus 970. So, ang kalalabasan niyan is 64 na lang. So, minus c square. So, yung 64 minus c square, kapag pinactored out natin siya, pwede nating makuha ay 8 plus c times 8 minus c. So, now, pwede natin siyang makuha ay dalawang value ni c. So, equate natin both factor by 0. So, 8 plus c equals to 0. And then, 8 minus c equals to 0. So, makukuha natin na value ni c is negative 8 saka positive 8. Okay? So, write natin yung answer natin in a complete sentence. So, mapapansin natin, meron tayong dalawang value which is negative 8 saka positive 8. So, disregard natin yung negative answer. Bakit po? Kasi yung speed na pinag-uusapan natin is a positive quantity. Wala pong speed na nagna-negative quantity. So, mangyayari po, the speed of the current is 8 miles per hour. Okay, so let us check. So, doon sa nakuha natin na formulate natin na equation, i-substitute natin yung nakuha natin na value ni c. So, which is 8. So, we have 150 over 32 minus 8 plus 150 over 32 plus 8 is equals to 10. So, solve natin. So, meron na tayong 150 over 24 plus 150 over 40 is equals to 10. So, sunod. So, 150 over 24 is equals to 6.25. And 150 over 40 is equals to 3. Okay. Mali po to. So, this is 70.75. Ayan. Ayan. Sorry. Okay, proceed tayo. So, is equals to 10. So, 6.25 plus 3.75, that is equals to 10. So, therefore, yung checking natin, that is 10 is equals to 10. So, meaning, tama yung nakuha natin na value ni C, which is positive 8. Okay, so thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye-bye.